Hello, I'm Chef Coco Cruz, your Fuzion Exotic chef, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, hello everyone, welcome to my cooking show. Yes, it's me again, Chef Coco Cruz, your Fuzion Exotic chef. Thank you for watching and subscribing my YouTube channel just for you. Today I'm so excited because I am going to make you guys some tomato clam stew, ginger with corn on the cob. And I'm going to show you all the fantastic recipe. Let's go! So over here we're going to use julienne cuts. This is the 4 ounces of onions and 3 pieces of fresh garlic, and this one is 8 ounces of tomato sauce, of course our ginger, and we are going to sear this with 4 tablespoons of virgin olive oil with half an ounce of kikkoman, and also we're going to use 1 dry pepper, and here's all of our corn on the cob, and here is all the fantastic seasoning. Here we have Italian seasoning. Now if you do not have Italian seasoning, you guys can use parsley if you just would love fresh parsley, or dry parsley is also perfect. This is half a teaspoon of ground black pepper for seasoning, and a teaspoon of Himalayan salt, my favorite, and paprika. This is about I said half a teaspoon of paprika, and yes, so let's not forget a cup of chicken stock. This is 2 pounds of wild white clam, Vietnamese. Yum. Okay, let's start cooking. Let's fire up my mom's skillet. I love cooking on my mom's skillet, I'm telling you. This skillet is one of my favorite. Alright, so we're gonna put our heat to medium-high heat, and we are going to throw and put our virgin olive oil. We call this caldero in the Philippines. Well, this is how we say caldero ng nanay ko. Let's put our cut julienne onions, our garlic, aroma, ginger, like so, peel in is good. Now our seasoning, of course. I'm not even gonna mix this, I'm just gonna spread it like so. Throw in we're gonna let this be cooked for 3 minutes, and we are going to put the tomato sauce. After cooking all our goodies here, the reason I cooked it for a few minutes because I want all of this to come out with beautiful seared colors and the flavoring. When they sweat more, they give more flavor. So now we're going to put our tomatoes and kikkoman sauce. If you do not have kikkoman sauce, you can use any soy sauce you want. Now we're going to put the corn in the cob. We're gonna let this be cooked for 10 minutes. Put your pot in a low medium heat. And I'll be back. Time to put our chicken stock. Now I'm gonna turn in our heat in a medium-high heat. Now I just want to tell you and share you guys that every time you guys are handling seafood, make sure you wash them very good. You can tell if they are fresh into market because your clams are actually sealed. As you can see, they are not open. We're gonna let this cook for 20 minutes, and we're gonna check up on again. And you guys can eat this with rice or pasta, whatever you guys prefer. Time to close this. Let it be cooked for 20 minutes. Now it's ready. Our tomato clam stew, ginger with corn on the cob. Look at this, just for you. I hope you guys got to enjoy my cookout show just for you. I'm telling you, this is going to be a hit with your family and your loved ones. Please share this recipe. Again, cooking it with Chef Coco Cruz here on YouTube channel. Look at this. And the smell too. The taste is very great. It's a little spicy, but it's not that spicy. And I'm gonna tell you, this is fantastic. Please share again to your family. Mwah! Enjoy! Ah! Yeah, well, the never-ending watching. Alright, Chef, let's fire up my mom's skillet. Sarap. Yum. I'm gonna clean up.